In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Ads landing page. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Ads. Once you're there, sign in to your Google Ads account and give the platform a moment to load completely. It's important to wait until the dashboard or overview page is fully visible before making any changes, so everything displays correctly and you can navigate without issues. From the left-hand menu, click on Audiences, Keywords, and Content. This section gives you access to the keyword settings tied to your campaigns. From the available options, select Search Keywords. You'll now see a list of keywords connected to your campaigns, and this is where you'll identify the keyword related to the ad you want to update. Take a moment to review the list carefully and locate the keyword linked to the specific ad you want to work on. Next to that keyword, look for the final URL column. This is the destination page users are sent to when they click your ad. Find the current landing page URL so you can confirm you're editing the correct one. When you're ready, click the pencil or Edit icon next to the final URL. After a moment, the URL editing box should appear. Click inside the final URL field, and if needed, delete the existing landing page URL. Then enter your new landing page URL. Before saving, make sure the new URL is active and correctly formatted. This is a very important step because even a small typo can cause the link to break or send visitors to the wrong page. Double-check the spelling, the page path, and the overall structure of the URL. Also confirm that the landing page matches the content of your ad and the keyword you selected. Keeping everything aligned helps improve user experience and can also support ad performance. Once you've reviewed everything, click Save to apply the changes. Wait a few moments for Google Ads to update your ad settings. After the update is complete, verify that the new landing page is now displayed correctly in the final URL field. As a final check, test the ad to make sure users are being directed to the correct page. After that, keep an eye on your performance metrics so you can monitor how the updated landing page is performing. This helps you catch any issues early and evaluate whether the change is improving results. Thanks for watching.